Okay guys, so recently I've had some problem with my Chevrolet Colorado, as you can see. So I will not start the car, but let's see the flasher. So when I turn right, the right light turns on. When I turn left, look what happens. See? Becomes faster and faster. And what I found out is that my flasher is not working. As you can see here, let's go outside and check it out. It's flashing faster than usual. As you can see, there's no light here. And even here, there is light. And even up there. So which means I need to replace it. So let's try to replace the LED light, halogen lamp in front. Alright, so I opened the hood and right now as you can see, here is your light that's busted in your Chevy Colorado. So you just need to quarter turn this part. This is the turn signal lamp, just going there. Just turn it or turn here. So sorry for the confusion. Turn it going here in this direction. Look, and when you snap it, and when you pull it, as you can see, here's the bulb, and you could see that it looks like it's burned. So this is just you should replace. You could remove this, and you could find it in a shop where you could do a replacement of this bulb. Okay, or if you want, you could swap out the bulbs here. In there, you could get your bulb to the other side, then turn it here and compare it from the old bulb. As you can see, the bulb here is having a different inside, and it does have a dark spot. Or if you want, you could also connect this new bulb or your left bulb here, and you could see if this has a problem, or maybe the socket. Then turn it towards this direction. Just check if the bulb has the problem or not, and not anything else, right? So just put it here. Then get into your car, then try to put on your flashers again, or you just need to use this. Now as you can see, it's working, and it means that the problem is your bulb, so you need to change it. Okay guys, so if you remove your lamp bulb holder from your car, this is signal, you just need to turn it counterclockwise like this, and then you pull it upwards. There you go. So you can see, this is how you remove the bulb, and this is what you need to replace.
Pakita mo yung pako.
So you can see there's a groove here. There's two grooves that holds there in place. So do not just pull it, because you will end up breaking this. So that's how you're gonna replace this flasher bulb, which is busted. And there you go. What's up guys, so here is the cover from the Chevy Colorado. As you can see, it's just twist pull technique. And here is the new lamp that I bought from the hardware. So we're gonna be checking out if this would fit here. So make sure that the threads are like this, see? Then twist them like this. See that? After that, you can now install this in your car to see if it works. Okay, so right now I'm gonna be installing this bulb, this newly fresh bulb. And we're going to be installing in this direction. Make sure that this groove matches the groove there, as you can see there. And then you just turn them in the correct direction, going here, as you can see. There you go. So as you can see, it's now in this direction, and you now check your flashers if it works. So now I'm inside the Chevy Colorado and just press this. or you could rather put it again in this kind of mode. It's your do not start the car yet, and here doesn't create any more noise, just like before, wherein the flasher becomes very fast and then it creates so much kind of noise here. So let's go outside and let's try to turn on the hazard light and let's compare the lights. And as you can see here, it's now working. This is the left light and here is the right light. As you can see, it's working really well. It's now working like original, so it's really good that it works now. It's just how you install your flasher light. Just need to quarter turn and then pull it out. It's all good. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.